morning, everybody. What's going on? How y'all doing? Everybody good? It's a good day. A little nippy outside, so I got my jacket on. But we taking this out. Finally, I'm getting trained on the speedboat. Took a minute, man. My guy, the trainer, was out of town, man. A whole bunch of stuff, man. But don't worry about it. All is well now. It's time, baby. It's time. Oh, there he is. I'm about to leave with that. Yeah, we go. Here we go. Now the fun begins. Let's get on in there, man. Trying to get trained on the bender toe. What up, baby? What up, Rick? Good morning, baby. Captain Rick in the house. All right. How many years have you been
44 years.
44 years?
Teaching and riding on boats.
Teaching and riding on boats, man. Working it out, man. Captain Rick. Oh yeah, y'all see what we all like. Yeah, we looking good, baby. Double inch 9. We all at it, baby. Captain Rick.
Anchor.
I'm about to anchor. It all beamed up for me now. Tap in. We're taking this out on Friday. So if you want to hang out with me, just tap in. We're gonna have champagne. You know, we're gonna have bottles sticking all over the place. Everybody tap in. We have this yacht has been approved for me to take out, so I'm taking it out Friday. I said, give it, is it open Friday? Let's go. So tap in with me. I'm looking for 10 lucky folks to just tap in with me. You know what? In fact, if it's more than 10, we'll book it all the rest of the day. We'll book it the whole. Tap in, baby. Black on Yacht Club. We out here. We're gonna be posting parties, networking, connecting the dots, kicking it on an amazing yacht. I got champagne. We got the see-through glass right here. You know what I'm saying? One-sided. Ooh, one-sided for you, you know what I'm saying? So Captain Chris in the house, man. You gotta jump with your boy, man. Of course, you know, you can get up there, hang out. We're gonna take it out all the way out as far as I can go. So tap in. Then we got seats right here. Wanna see that one? Boom, we got seats right there, and there. Tap in. See y'all Friday. Champagne for everybody. Let's